In this video, you'll learn how to create an online course website using WordPress. This process will guide you through each step, ensuring that you can set up your site effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. You can do this by entering the URL directly into your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option at the top of the screen and click on it. This action will take you to the Sites dashboard where you can manage existing sites or create a new one. Next, locate the button labeled Create with AI on the site's dashboard. Clicking this will initiate the artificial intelligence site building process. After you select this option, a new message will appear indicating that the foundations of your site are being laid. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your online course website. After this message, you will need to wait for the AI to load. You may see a loading indicator during this. This waiting period is normal as the system is generating your site based on the information provided. It is advisable to ensure your internet connection is stable to facilitate a smooth loading experience. Once the AI has completed its process, a message will prompt you to make your website unique. This step encourages you to think about your website's purpose and design. It is important to consider how you want your online course to be presented to your audience. At this point, you will see a prompt to type in create an online course website. Type this into the provided text box and then click on enter. After you do this, you should receive confirmation that WordPress.com can create an online course website. You will then be asked to choose the option that appears above. Type in your selection and press enter again. This will guide the AI to further customize your website based on your preferences. It is essential to follow these prompts closely to ensure your site is set up correctly. Following these selections, a message will ask you what your website should be called. This is the title that will appear in the browser tab. Enter the name of your site in the text box provided and press enter to confirm your choice. You will see a prompt for a short tagline, a description that will show in search results and social previews. This tagline should succinctly describe what your course offers. Type in a suitable tagline and click enter once more to proceed. Continue by clicking on Create My Site. This action signals that you're ready to finalize your website setup. After clicking, you may see a message indicating that your site is brewing. This step may take a moment as the system processes your request. As the site is being generated, you might notice a message saying, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the AI is working on creating your website. It is advisable to be patient during this phase as it may take a few minutes depending on the complexity of your site. Once the generation process is complete, a message will inform you that your site is ready. Keep in mind that the entire setup process may take longer if your internet connection is slow or if there are any server delays. It is important to check your internet speed for a smoother experience. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.